Another expense that consistently continued to accumulate over time was lunch meetings. Everybody has to eat lunch and everybody is busy. So I decided to maximize my time, and that was a way that I was able to connect with my advisor and committee members was through lunch meetings. And so going out to eat once a week on a limited budget as a PhD student, that expense continued to add. I had no idea that I was going to utilize that strategy of lunch meetings to make sure that I stayed in constant communication with my committee members. So sometimes they were nice and they paid for my meals, and other times I wanted to pay for their meals because they helped me out so much. So something that you want to consider and place that within an item line budget is lunch meetings, because that's the best way to make sure that you're staying in communication with the individuals, faculty members, or even other colleagues or students that you need to help you along the dissertation journey. So lunch meetings was definitely a line item budget that you want to consider as a inconspicuous financial cost. Lastly, another inconspicuous financial blindside cost is attending local or national conferences. As a doctoral student, you want to make sure that you're networking with experts in your field, as well as you're in the process of contributing to knowledge as a PhD student. And you can do that by attending a local or national conference. These conferences, just a registration in of itself, can cost $100 to $400 for a student. That's a significant expense when you think about registration. And if you're traveling out of town, you may have to pay for airfare, the hotel, food accommodations, etc. Travel to and fro, you understand. So you want to make sure that you set aside money for that, as well as look for grants. And you can even volunteer to work at a local or national conference, and often they will waive, the conference host will waive the registration fee for you. So look into those things if you want to eliminate the registration fee, but also keep in mind that as a doctoral student, you want to attend local and national conferences. And if you have to, set aside money on an annual basis to get your name and your research out.